Welcome to the channel. This is Cosmic Tech ASMR, and today we're gonna go over how much money I made as a content creator with only 600 subscribers. In this video, I'm gonna go over how much money I made from making YouTube videos on my channel, how much views I got on my videos, and how much subscribers I gained within that month. First off, I restarted my YouTube journey 2 months ago. I restarted by uploading Fortnite gameplay videos. And if you're a gamer out there that wants to become a Fortnite YouTuber, I do recommend starting as soon as possible, because when I was uploading those videos, I was getting a ton of views. I was able to accumulate over 300k views in just 1 month from Fortnite videos. And if you're interested in the tips I have for starting a Fortnite YouTube channel, just leave a comment down below and I'll reply to you. And although I was getting a ton of views from these videos, I was not satisfied with the content I was creating. For the long run, I did not want to become a Fortnite YouTuber. So I went back to the drawing board. After much consideration, I decided to switch my channel over to tech and ASMR. And although I don't post too much ASMR videos, I will be posting them on occasion. But honestly, I am truly passionate about making tech related videos. Ever since I was about 12 years old, I had been really into tech. Everything from PCs to gaming consoles. Believe it or not, one of my first videos on YouTube when I was younger was the evolution of gaming, where I had compiled different pictures of different gaming consoles and placed them in order of release dates. Now fast forward to present day, when I switched over to tech related videos, my channel was not doing well at all. My views started to heavily decline. I went from getting over 10k views on every other video to getting under 400 views on all of my videos. But that hasn't stopped me. I continued to post my videos. And now, after a month, things have started to pick up again. Recently, one of my videos got over 10k views, and most of my other videos are getting close to over 4k views as well. And also, my subscriber count continues to grow. It is really amazing. But most importantly of all, I am really enjoying making these videos. I really love sharing my thoughts on tech products and also tech related subjects, and creating those into short form videos. One thing I do really want to work on is making more long form videos. And let me know if you do want to see more monthly update videos like this one in the comments down below. Now let's take a quick look at my analytics. So currently, as of filming this video, I do have 607 subscribers. My monthly views right now total to 40.3k. My watch time hours are at 353. And my subscribers gained are 66 subscribers. And in the last 48 hours, I do have 11,000k views on my videos. Just for context, when I restarted my YouTube journey with posting Fortnite videos, I only had about 250 subscribers. From there, I was able to quickly gain up to 500 subscribers, and now, from switching to tech related videos, we are now at 600 subscribers. When I made my switch from Fortnite videos to tech videos, I did have to delete all of my older clips. The reason I did this is because now, since I'm posting tech related videos, I didn't want my subscribers to be suggested Fortnite videos that are not related with tech videos. Now for the part that you've all been waiting for. How much money did I make in just 1 month as a small content creator? And yes, I did make some money, but as you might know, YouTube does not monetize creators that have under 1k subs. Also, if you are creating short videos, you need over 3 million views. If you're doing long form content, you need over 4,000 watch hours within a year's period. And honestly, I'm nowhere close to those numbers, but I was still able to make money off my content, just not directly through YouTube. The money I did make from my videos is through the Amazon affiliate program. This means that my viewers clicked on my links and made an eligible purchase, which in turn made me money. And honestly, it was only one person that purchased something from my affiliate link. So shout out to you and thank you. So the amount of money I made from the affiliate program is only 55 cents. And although it's not much, it's still really great to see that there is some ways to make money from making your content while you're still a small content creator. And if you are in the market for tech products and do want to help this channel out, I suggest you go over to my link tree, check out any of the items that I covered, and if you're interested in purchasing them, go ahead and use my affiliate link. And for a disclaimer, I do make money off these qualifying purchases, and you can find those links over on my bio. And if you stayed till this part of the video, thank you so much. You are a real one. And this has been Cosmic Tech ASMR. Stay blessed.